The investigation continues into the death of Nathan D. Alejandro. At this time, I would like to read the following statement, which I trust will answer some of the questions you've had surrounding this case. On Wednesday, September 21st, around 9:40 a.m., officers of the Gainesville Police Department went to 913 Dover Drive in an attempt to serve an arrest warrant in connection with drug trafficking indictments. The wanted person was not located. However, while checking the residence, contraband was observed inside, and the officers left the scene, officers secured the scene in order to obtain a search warrant. Nathan was at the residence and appeared to be laying in bed under covers when officers first arrived. Katrina Maldonado, the mother of the child, told the officers her child was ill. Prior to the search warrant being issued, officers were advised Johnny Earl's parents were on their way to pick Nathan up to take him to a doctor's appointment. Johnny Lee and Matilda Alexander arrived and did take custody of Nathan from the scene. Nathan's injuries were covered from view, and officers on scene were not aware of how seriously ill or injured he was. On Saturday, September 24th, around 1:39 a.m. is when officers responded back to a Dover Drive address in reference to a child not breathing. Katrina Maldonado had taken Nathan to a neighbor's house when he stopped breathing for assistance. The neighbor was performing CPR on Nathan when officers arrived. Nathan was transported to North Texas Medical Center by Cook County EMS, where he was pronounced dead around 3:30 a.m. that morning. Nathan's body was transferred to the Dallas County Medical Examiner's Office for autopsy, and final results are still pending. We do know that Nathan sustained severe burns to a large portion of his body. The majority of those burns were to his legs, and these injuries occurred on or about September 10th. During the 14 days between the occurrence of the burns and the date of his death, no one caring for Nathan sought professional medical treatment for his injuries. Katrina Maldonado and Johnny Earl Alexander were arrested on Wednesday, September 28th at their residence. Johnny Earl's parents, Johnny Lee and Matilda Alexander, were arrested in Chico, Texas by Wise County Sheriff's Department on September 30th. All four have been charged with injury to a child for intentionally or knowingly, by act or omission, cause serious bodily injury to a child younger than 14 years of age. This is a first-degree felony. Katrina Maldonado and Johnny Earl Alexander are currently in Cook County Jail on $750,000 bond. Johnny Lee and Matilda Alexander are also in Cook County Jail on $500,000 bond. All four are currently, as I said, in Cook County Jail. The investigation into the death of Nathan D. Alejandro will continue, and updates will be issued as information is made available.